How do you become a worldwide leader? The best at what you do. How do you grow from assembling a single model of chainsaw into a #1 selling brand worldwide? How do you build a brand into a market leader and then keep it that way for decades? You do it with unerring precision and relentless determination, and you do it at STIHL Incorporated, Virginia Beach, Virginia. STIHL Incorporated is one of several facilities worldwide that make up the STIHL manufacturing group. In 1974, the first assembly line was established here, and more than 12,000 units were produced. Today, we produce more than 12,000 units in one day. In 2014, the company celebrated 40 years of manufacturing in America, and more than 4 million units were built in the same calendar year. Today, this state-of-the-art facility continues to grow in size and expand in terms of production capability, manufacturing not only millions of finished products, but also many of the individual components that go into those products. In the manufacturing world, it's known as vertical integration, and this facility is a perfect example of how it works. Because STIHL builds so many of the components here, manufacturing concerns like supply, just-in-time delivery, and quality control become much more manageable. Polymer compounds are stretched, shaped, molded, and extruded into thousands of individual components found on steel trimmers, blowers, chainsaws, and more. Pistons, which will eventually move inside a steel engine, are machined to such precision that they're measured in microns, with tolerances of only 4 microns for some machined parts. To put that into perspective, a single human hair is approximately 50 microns thick. Efficiency and quality assurance are intrinsic to every stage of production. Samples are pulled and tested from every line, and every machine built here is started, run, and tested before it leaves the line. This equipment is not only built in America by dedicated workers, it is also exported to over 90 countries around the world. We also know that leadership requires measured growth and strategic investment. Over the past decade, STIHL Incorporated has demonstrated its confidence in American manufacturing by investing millions of dollars in the Virginia Beach facility. A great example of this is the guide bar manufacturing plant. It's a shining example of what we strive for in everything we do. STIHL engineers directed the design of every aspect of this facility, and our extreme quality standards can be seen throughout the operation. The specially formulated steel alloy employed in the manufacture of the guide bars, the coils of alloy that allow for continuous feed of the raw materials, even the huge presses that stamp out the guide bar components, are all proprietary to STIHL. Our facility represents the vast experience and expertise accumulated in 50 years of guide bar design and production. All the thinking, creativity, world-class engineering, and exclusive manufacturing processes from the maker of the world's best-selling brand of gasoline-powered chainsaws are brought together in this new facility. Even the green roof of this building is designed for high efficiency. The vegetation grown on the building helps make the building more energy efficient while making a positive contribution to the environment. You see, caring for nature is much more than rhetoric at STIHL. It's the nature of our business, and therefore the motivation behind some very significant investments and very important relationships. But despite the incredible automation, the world-class technology, and extraordinary engineering, to be an award-winning manufacturer requires remarkable people. And the team of men and women at STIHL Incorporated are exactly that. Pride runs deep here. These are real people. These are STIHL people. How do you grow from a handful of employees in a single building, assembling one chainsaw model, into an enterprise that produces and distributes millions of products worldwide? By adhering to the same principles that helped Andreas STIHL turn a dream into reality in 1926. Today, the grandchildren of Andreas STIHL continue to expand into new areas of product and manufacturing technologies to keep steel at the forefront of the outdoor power equipment industry. Together, we remain steel strong.